Hey, what's up everybody, how you doing? My name is Justin and today I'm at the Liberty Science Center. I'm really excited because science was the only subject I was ever good at in school. Like I said in my DC vlog, I really like going to museums. They're a great place to learn, hang out, explore. Hopefully there's some interactive stuff because anything that I can get my hands on, I'm gonna touch it. Anyway, let's go.
There's just a robot that they did surgery on a grape with.
I don't get this thing. I don't know what part of the museum this is, but there's a lot of animals, and I like it. There's the snake, and there's the skin. I wish I can speak parcel tongue. That was also my first time in a planetarium. It was really cool. And I got a tiny bit motion sickness, just a tiny bit. I am about to perform magic. Wingardium Leviosa. Bloody hell, bro. Can you stop sneezing, please? There's nothing. I didn't even feel anything. Okay, that one I felt. Can you please not? I'm stupid. I think we found some really cool stuff. Even though I have no idea what this is. I did something. I spy with my little eye some uranium ore, which is less radioactive than granite rocks, which is less radioactive than a random bowl. Alright, so that's the end of the museum. That's pretty much the whole vlog. So thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. And until next time, see ya.